welcome to Quarantine. I'm not even trying to be dressed up for this tea party. I just left all my clothes in the dorm and this is all I have left. I just spilled all over myself. Oh no. Oh, that was so stupid.
I want some more tea, please. We both want some more tea, please.
Okay. Can I have your cup?
I look like I peed my pants.
Lights, camera.
Cheese!
And action.
Cheese!
Hello and welcome back to Quarantined and Sewing with Julie, the Costume Shop Lab section of your Theater 2 class. And you caught us in the middle of a tea party. Can we have some more tea, please?
Of course you can. Some more tea for you. Some more tea for you.
Cheers.
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 Cheers. Penny, what are we talking about today in class?
Makeup. Wait.
Today we're talking about makeup, and that corresponds to a chapter in your book on makeup. So if you read up with that and watch this video, that'll help you prepare for the quiz and your final exam. And please remember, if you have any questions at all, you can post them on the discussion board in Blackboard, or you can always email me. Thank you. And what are you doing here exactly? What's your technique? Look in the mirror. I love it.
Okay, and put that.
I'll put the camera on. Yep.
We look pretty.
We look pretty. Thank you for joining us with Quarantined and Sewing with Julie. This is the Costume Shop Lab section of your Theater 2 class, and today we talked about makeup.